I love Panda so much. I don't know how to talk about this.
I
love Panda so much.
I do. Never disappoint. I don't want to lie. I feel like but South Africa usually have understand the theme.
Also, understand the theme. Also, the people are bad. The designers are bad.
Yeah.
Like some of the things are not nice. You will tell us to start. 3, 2, 1, let's go. No, what Mele Street? Eh? Nditome. Okay. Hi guys, and welcome back to the Black Couch Diaries. Yo, namsi u feminine, hey. So namsi ndinachi uyatanga how? Kingsley. I always make a mistake nombizoro tanga, and people don't know who tanga is. Kingsley how? Kingsley is stage name, guys. Happy Kingsley ufitanga. No, but Kingsley is more of a stage name. No, I could perform. I feel like one rapper. You know, na studio satanga. Anyways, I'm with you here today. How are you? I haven't seen you
in a long time.
In probably a year.
Yeah, I told this year again. No.
Royal.
In the card. And for a few minutes, I knew you
were gonna bring that up. No, guys, that's
got that. I'm like, what for guy? I feel no. How?
But you know what the problem is? Even if I was gonna keep on getting up.
Yeah, that's just remove.
That's just me, because my people were that side, and now yeah, and that was just us. You know,
yeah,
that the one about there and then I was gonna disappear. Everyone was doing that, and I feel like that's the whole point here.
Socialize.
Are you going this year?
What's it there?
If we're working.
If we're working, I'll go.
If we're not working, you're not going.
I'll see. September busy.
So like you have better plans.
I do.
Okay, before we start, anyways, we're coming from you from Panda Studios, 38 Mele Street, Braamfontein. Phone number net is the so I'm going to read 010-023-2839. The email is info@pandastudios.com. So you can contact them for podcasts, live streaming, music videos. What else? What else?
That's the video related.
Yeah, you don't do like no pictures.
Video.
So it's basically anything video related. So before we get into it, guys, we were running a competition. So we eventually got our winner. Your sponsor MR21. It was for a voucher for groceries.
Yes, I saw that.
I am so jealous because I need groceries so much right now. But anyways, I'm going to read the message. I believe I deserve this voucher because as a hardworking student at the University of Venda, every little bit of support makes a big difference in my life. I watched the full episode of Black Couch Diaries because I genuinely love and support the message and the stories being shared. The fact that the voucher is sponsored by MR21 Funeral Cover, a brand owned by someone who inspires me daily as my lecturer, makes it even more meaningful. This voucher would help me with essentials and remind me that showing up, supporting local content, and staying engaged daily really matters. Guys, this is amazing. Congratulations. We're not going to give him a call. So, you know, and I love how...
Student, budget, so.
And I love how Ango Zamotamba Pity Party.
Yeah.
He or she literally just put it up there. Yeah, so I guess Owina lecturer, I don't know. But Rosetza, so apparently Osetzu are the engagement.
Or
of people, of view the episode. And then the giveaway was brought to you by MR21 and Spa Toyando. Spa Toyando undi. Yeah, okay, just Spa Toyando, I guess. So please be in contact with us. Then that's how you're gonna socials. You can choose any of our social platforms, wherever you're comfortable. That's where you're gonna get it. So I really do not know where to start. Oh my God, we haven't shot in a while. Mumbula aukushu.
Ndizinji.
So where do you want us to start? Let's go from sad
Azembe.
to better. Let's go from sad to good.
Okay.
The funeral of the country, obviously. Yeah, deputy
National.
president.
Oh, former actually.
Former.
The Mafinyi.
Exactly. You know,
I can see
Ronnie,
his face. Yes, Paul Mashatile.
At least you can see his face. I can't see nobody's face.
Nindi
I don't even know the one that died.
The
Guys,
David Mabuza, Tibo Farida Makhadzi Toma. And then ba resign and stuff.
Oh,
Nando ba online
flip. I know David
poisoni at some point. Allegedly ufi ndiane vane vashuma navo vapedzisira vo vana treatment was it Russia ngoringeno vozama and then vapairo vatusa so Russia vari okay there's better treatment so now ufi apparently vachiange has never been the same so I think that's why maybe vopedzisira volova maybe zvova affecta ngangomu
yeah because you never know the damage the poison has done before up until vachiya was bad.
Exactly.
But shame guys, RIP.
And vachi young 60 what 64 65
64, 65.
Somewhere
Okay, that's kind of young. Not
it
bad.
is maybe
My 64, my 70s, is it?
no my 60s.
Oh, flip, yes.
Yeah,
60s.
my 60s. So
Not bad.
shame, man.
Skis, man.
But we could know he's the first one and the politicians as no drama. But Vampumalanga var guy. Kevin Nichidivas never wait out again. What
was he
but
doing?
when that's the experience
Ufiwa kwita ni Mpumalanga?
Tiba premier ninge.
Yeah, so ufiwa kwita.
And that thing that Divi.
What's your meaning?
I didn't
So like
research
Niba
more.
Debene, why ochua? Why are you scared? They're harmless, just say it.
But Durban was the one who saw out Mukwanas.
Ne?
Na batambi abalamuna. Banyangas to the street.
Ish, Mukanazi doesn't play. And apparently he's exposing like ministers and stuff. How true do you think that is?
No, I think it's true. We know we live in a mafia state.
True.
Allegedly.
No, but we do. Ushwananga in the case that just solve like they're
Also
very
too. But vaurai was to Japerera Muyani, and especially but by influential was Busana Zorwaisa co investigate, was on one wango, you know, na corruption. But what's that state of the state of the if minutes watch co investigate about Marajaperera Muyani.
What I'm saying is already just Perere Muyani then uko the one you were wrong, go the far wrong. Always like that.
Anyway. So I like Urabala Munava even though I feel like in the danger of Chirao.
Yeah.
Baba it something. Even though Arabashabi Mutungur Vanachigidi mini
yeah, but if they really want to take him down, they would. Because I feel like I think we have more bad cops than good cops.
And he's a very good one.
He's a very good cop.
How
do we plan to go through Durban?
One year again, fast. While he's ahead of the police, Senzo Mkuno, I think. Imagine. But
it makes more sense if he's involved as well.
Jambori, like if people are linked to him and stuff, Jambori on a case near the view.
Jambori, like I feel like every time he goes in, trying to work hand in hand with the Mangoma police, some other provinces, it doesn't go far. And I guess he gets to see where it gets blocked. Or okay, which is it never moves.
Exactly.
So whatever he's saying has to be true.
And then there's no Jabor.
Excuse man.
Africa.
Maybe eventually we'll live in a crime-free world. I don't know when.
Fingers crossed. But as women even.
And then there's a guy that's missing. Ndobo nawa Venda uko postiwa since the weekend. I think something Baranganani. That's his surname. Okay, ndobona last senior one yori oboniwa. If I go on Facebook, I'm definitely going to find it.
Yeah.
Oboniwa R55 side R55, and I'm like, it's Koyu. I knew it. Oh, this is funny enough. You post on Namusi. Ikori. We can't celebrate the daughter's birthday Namusi because the dad hasn't been found. Do you understand? It's been a week or so. So I'm just like,
a long time. If
it's happening to men, Rene.
Is he rich or something?
I don't know. It doesn't matter at this point.
It doesn't,
you know, because I'm like,
anything
whatever they needed, they could have communicated by now. If it was a ransom, if it was, I really pray he is. I don't know what they've been but I don't know, man. Like I'm just praying for the best.
No matter what the one you usher up and stuff, you know.
Yeah, especially now that they're mentioning the daughter. A week is a lot.
Long. A lot can
A week
happen.
is long.
Zvinhu zvakachuisa.
I don't know about the other one was the lead. Do you get what I'm saying? A week is quite a lot. But anyways, guys,
I hope I knew.
yeah, we're hoping for the best. And then let's just go straight to Durban July because I am burning. Okay, who was your best dressed?
Okay, so I tried to research a theme on in Amity, and she said that okay, bakuchimbira na theme or whatever.
Yeah.
So okay, wait, I wrote down. Oh, Lamiz.
Yeah.
I liked
what was the theme?
pictures.
Can we explain to the people what the theme was?
Marvels of Mzansi.
Okay.
And I think a lot of people basongwepesisa theme
Yeah.
basokuambara zvavo.
Ndabona vangoambara last year theme this year.
But vafana noita tonga metric dance.
And the metric dance kids are eating. Honey. What
They
do
are.
you mean?
They are. Maravilla metric dance, maybe about 2015 or something. But no, okay, the first. The first one, Lamiz, no, I loved the way she was dressed and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, Rorko explain
the
the theme.
creativity, yeah.
So it's Marvels of
Mzansi.
Mzansi. So the wonders of what the legs to Mzansi be wonderful type
Yeah.
of thing. That's supposed to inspire your outfit.
Yeah. So Lamiz, what mean?
Women like the wonderful women of Mzansi. Because on
Okay.
we
It's just like something Nomza Mbata once did, though.
yeah, Mbaraka Roko.
Yeah. And then Somizi did the same thing as well. I saw.
No, I saw his mom. There was a second outfit
The
where
one with
Mbara
the
Obe
train.
Miawe.
So how is that Marvels of
But
Mzansi?
his mom is a
his mom is a
legend
legend
in South
With him,
Africa.
it makes sense. It wouldn't make
And
sense.
then there's
as
other outfit oyambara na
Kosi ya
corset
madamu.
yoshikapa enemune.
Yeah.
So I guess him.
So I saw a lot of people.
Saralanga.
Yes.
That is
This
Marvels
Kotane.
of Mzansi.
Yes.
Because yeah, PSSA okuzwana the way unambara sells.
I think Yasara if SSA explain a theme because
Yes.
if you look at it first, much as it's designer, it looks like something she would rock to a
Yes.
normal event,
That's the
right?
thing.
But then I guess the photo shoot where she was spilling the ultramel and
There was
whatever gave it a feel.
Yeah.
But then here's my question, right? How does this thing work? Do they do the shoot and then wear the dress again?
No, what does that mean? Apparently, no,
That's what I was saying. Next thing mutu rodzura na yene pa uri kubona TV ro turko oraita.
Asongoyotodziela studio just nep.
Because I'm like, I'm seeing a lot of people that did the whole theme and whatever. Not even a single. These are influencers,
Yeah.
remember? These are people that are constantly posting. None of them has a video. Something.
Often I interview
Vakozama vadzi red carpet. I saw a couple of influencers.
We need something. Media yashu.
Okay, but then I think the outfit is not because
And what's your favorite? No, we no post on Instagram.
Who did I post in Insta?
Blue assistelo.
Sitelo wako represent.
Oh, na Anne
Lezondo, yes. I loved Anne Lezondo. Yes.
But I'm very theme.
I loved Anne Lezondo. I loved Sitelo. I think I just love Sitelo.
Para.
Yeah.
You know what I liked? I don't know the lady's name. Ambaraya Mingwend and stuff.
Yeah.
I guess Venda. We were wonders of Mzansi. I guess because
I like the guys.
That's the one
I like the
liked.
guys more. Kaparapara.
Really?
Yeah.
But do you think the guys is Antoni? But never Durban July Baba Ambarathimo.
The truth is there isn't much you can do. Okay, there is. But I remember it's very hard to be a guy Navani fashionista.
Because
that'll mean no kabone. Now go utevela theme. That'll mean you add something too young.
Yeah.
And then chances of it looking gay are very high.
That's true. Mara sometimes it's not gay, it's couture. But what was a confesses?
But then not everybody understands that.
The couture.
I mean, we're living in a world in an arniva of Makhadzi go bury a theme. What more can men do?
Yeah, and go.
Do you get what I'm saying?
Disappoint because I'm seeing a lot. None of us celebrate.
Ndabona mushendiki. Yeah. Some palaza thing going on there. I don't know. It's
yeah, lega.
Mara nendibona ngarithi sa country we're just not there yet.
We're not at all. Who are we blaming? But when we come baraka wana the fashion designers zaone zikuba advisor. Is the fashion designer or is it like stylist?
What did you think of Sorisha's dress?
Hey, what that is. I didn't see it.
I think what you want to cause is a theme. before
Yeah.
we were training whosoever is going
Ava
ujoin a link
mood
Mood
board
board.
yana baphasis or okay you're supposed to dress like this you
yeah
know?
last year you were ocean something
Yeah, something along those lines.
yoba bona watu abozviita this year vozviricha last year
Moko barrel.
but then I don't blame them
Because the net also had to do research or okay, yamburi
Yamburi
because
mini.
uchivana marvels of Mzanzi, but umbra wo superhero and stuff like that. And that's actually not what it means. Mihlali.
yeah
I want to know the inspiration behind that.
nenda ndikunyengwamba zvonora I feel like vatu vachiposta avaexplaine
Often I saw Makhadzi's one on Facebook. Or I saw she added a picture of a pomegranate.
yeah I saw
Even
mapekisero on
pomegranate
pomegranate yeah ndimini bamba uzi no
Yes,
asi
Bambos.
ndi-
Bambos is the...
the ndimini but yeah I guess
Yeah.
we get a picture okay Tanga doesn't want to do that anyways
pomegranate.
yeah no, but they said
Yeah.
I'm just saying Uri it was the theme that she wore this year was very similar to what she wore last year. It was just
It's
a different
nothing
color.
wow. Yeah. People can do more. I think our waiter is mood board and stuff.
Remember
but
ndibona
first
kana
is the theme.
designer dzashu dziguma
Abapfese
but
similar.
no like barungi vashu vaguma at a certain point
Yeah.
oh, it's one,
Oh, no.
you know that's why bonang remember the time bonang was trending this year oborongedwa in
Ambara
Nigeria
na last they had like some event chamnazoro yamini and the way they were dressed the mangana mutana miri and stuff even though I saw ufinyo you tabuti
Yeah.
Ufinyo.
Tabete,
tabete
yeah.
not tabete oyi waka radio tabuti ufinyo.
yeah
Oyi mutsoko.
tita buti is just like a thingy like a
Is it? I forgot the
like,
name.
yeah
But I know
tando tabete are we not talking about tando
Tabuti. Ay, mutsoko man.
yeah onorengisa na dzibody what
zvadzilanjare
Yeah.
oh yeah that one ndobona
Her surname is
nainozama
Tabete.
but like zvaniger you could see uri like
Guys,
the arts and crafts you know
Nigeria ubva hothe ubva kamakeup
avana
uyeka.
exactly ava dzilimiti
That's
on
where
the
it's
things they can
at,
do
bro that is where it's at
bafana dava pa vangeno class
Mara, I guess let's give them what I don't know they tried
Not give
that's why
them
ndikuamboriti sometimes
a 6
nindova nina something thoni ano chinena kuchumbura and then chichivodhisiwa nachisaka
translate.
designer aguma une angaguma one
yeah maybe
I mean yeah you get it
ave it's class or something nema ndingava pa 6 out of 10 vozama vona
they tried
okay
maybe 5
the average
hey like it's okay
It's
I want
okay.
to where I blow my mind out like
yeah nani
you know and I feel like zuko vaka research na varungi it's not a
that's true
yeah I'm guessing mo research nebe chisoar mara mo
ndikunyanga age so what was your best dress enotakadzwanga
now that I'm thinking of it and I'm thinking of the thing maybe Sarah
Yeah.
did Linda not Linda Mthoba ndinyola mumwe Anele Zondo is it Anele Zondo
anele ndoifuna
the rest of them I don't know it just feels like omnibus sometimes it feels like something I've seen
yeah
you know
especially normal dresses I'm just like normally that's something you could wear like carrot carpet unazi awards or something
before we hate women let's get to another topic because ndiva una vatu vanodhiri vasidhana ngavo
Ndiyafuna
you
abasadzi.
guys are weird as fuck like, honestly you guys are so weird let's move to the next one what do you have
okay oivana zva Shandesh watechirisa likombo Ndikomujaja.
no I have like 2 songs ndinadzo mbiri nyana dzonorwa like
Fana
that
mateche nevanhu
chopper
vakadzi.
the chopper
Mzakare.
no I'm trying I'm just trying to hop on the wave
No, I
Nendika
teacher
3
is
step
vatakadzo.
zvino I am on the
Ufana teacher
3
za
step
Limpopo.
wave come on just because ndiva Limpopo guys so much pressure ew
No, just uradhive not uri
mara uri ndidive ndikotiyopfara mbrodheri wapera nditozvibona katiktok
yeah.
guys nditobona challenges eviyo wai ndikotiyodhiva rothe rwatopera
ngori
it's not my sound man.
I saw she performer she's big now she's
Yeah.
like growing and stuff which is great it's very
I
wonderful
love
to
it for
see
her.
So
I can't differentiate between Shandesh and Charisma.
fine maybe keori Shandesh na Janesh never
Shit, there's Janesh?
yes
Damn, I don't know who that
vari
is.
mwana ka uchavechiri gombo
Oh, I know that song.
yes so apparently so elaso buya Botswana zvino kana ti maybe obobuya or something and then but something about Botswana or vadrivers goloi idzo kana uri vadriver is it a Mazda or something achidivi uri ndimini goloi yawani but yeah she was like that's all she was seeing when she was there or something along those lines
She said it live.
Yeah, I think it was a live or something. Yoba mujenera batu ba Botswana and stuff. Some of the gigs got cancelled. I saw one from a club or something bakwe cancela uri. Because batu banke ba corona. But she apologized and I saw the apology. It was very sincere. It was a video.
She's always apologizing though.
Ish. Mara, she's young. She's bound to make mistakes. And I'm sure she's Yamba's a joke. She didn't mean to like offend them. It's like saying uri no funo Apollo, for example.
Yeah.
But like, you know, maybe we'll touch her because of, which I understand. Mara, she did apologize. Oh, mufarere, but
Mara obasa kuzvipa though. That's the thing. She didn't lie. No. Most African. No, like
Mara, it's just like I'm sure the car that you are seeing a lot.
Okay, so Ghana ufunwa Honda. You cannot ningasiva separate.
Mara zvemina zvori dzimwadzi.
Na Honda everywhere. You get what I'm saying? Yes, they've got Range Rovers, Mercedes, but only kupfuma, right?
Yeah.
Like that's if you're like innocent or whatever.
Yes. But Honda.
Mara zvemba South Africa is good because I've been na Venda. G-Wagon is bound. We're not even very than is he. You get what I'm saying? True. So meaning we're blind. We need to stop sleeping on ourselves. Anyways, I think over Akwambango, she had to apologize because she's an artist, nazi gig.
But no, she was. I think she made it as a joke. Like, it as jokes, and then
don't you just some of them are offensive. Don't you just hate the fact that now you're never artist, can never any public figure?
Yeah.
You have no opinion, basically. Like, guys, everyone can get up and say how they feel, but you can't.
But we are sensitive. Because no one they scrutinize every little thing. So I think she needs maybe PR training or a divina.
But you will never.
Some of your opinions keep them to yourself.
3 years ago, something wrong. It doesn't end.
Yeah.
Because people are always looking for something. Like you could go live.
Maybe be a Beyonce or Songwamb. Let your art speak for you.
No, man.
Serious. Don't you mean?
But remember, at the same time, you guys want. But at the same time, when they do speak, you get mad.
Yeah.
And also the truth is, honestly, the fact that we gave Durban July a 5 right now, trust me, it's going to be an issue.
That's true.
So, and there's good effect, and I'm trusting which I don't want to stay alive.
Or as for do
I'll never understand. We're always going to have opinions, but I guess, maybe a bit of PR training there and there. Because I remember the interview that she did, she was rude.
Oh, yeah. I don't know.
She was being rude.
She was.
And I don't think she was being rude because she's rude. There are people that are just, I always say this, and back rude. Marakanti, they're just socially awkward. They don't know how to behave when lights come in. And
that's why I'm like, we need a training.
Hela nervousness, you get what I'm saying? There are people that feel like that every time they see people public eye, like maybe ngoroba interviewer in her head the way people are going to interpret it.
Maybe.
So as a defense mechanism, she had to close that. I don't know. I just try and understand people a lot.
Yeah.
But I don't think she woke up and decided I'm going to be rude.
Yeah, I don't think so.
You get what I'm saying?
You apologize.
It's just like the Zingu Malo thing with Tembi.
Oh, yeah.
She made it worse when she spoke. She could have just let it go.
Oh, apologize.
Oh, the Amba, something about Korean and the other division with the what boom shaka. No, she was saying the boom shaka thing was maybe in a Gomorrah. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
No,
that's why sometimes I think
but sometimes when you get PR training before but especially if you're a public figure.
Also the kids that are making it now, they're making it babatukusa. They're very young. Their TikTok comments are driving them crazy because you cannot in any place think you're bigger than Tembi.
Exactly.
Do you get what I'm saying?
She just came out to reads lipstick. It don't promote or something. Lipstick. That video had like over 100 and something thousand views. Like it was a lot, not 100, but it was a lot of views.
Because people were thinking she's gonna say something.
Exactly. All I'm sure no PR training was she knows what she never speaks. Only me like I could comment because
it is
especially recent. I just be like I comment because she just used that I want to say press.
Yeah.
That at her advantage.
Yeah. Speaking of having an opinion, there was a fight between I didn't know. Ola Muzana, where Anna Corona Mami Puru, right? I didn't know she's Ukodova. They're still fighting.
No, I mean, why is Akwamba Zinala? Only Richard the blogger.
Oh, Richard the blogger. Yo,
yeah, follow because Ako comment on.
Follow. I
just started
following
it because on TikTok I chambanga that case. That's
yes.
how I found her. And which is good. She makes nice commentary.
Yeah. Also, Obachi Yana Kotiri.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. And then I didn't follow. I would follow her and whatever. I didn't know she's sisters. The sister Yam. Yeah, perseverance.
Yes.
Perseverance.
Yes.
Yo, now I want to make sure. Can't talk about a problem. Yes, I know has Madam Speaker.
I love her.
Yeah, I've been following. I've been subscribed to Madam Speaker's thing. I also didn't. I didn't even check the surname. The time I looked at her face, I knew.
Yeah, no,
they look there is something both you get it. But then let's leave that aside because this is not about perseverance.
I'm not a big Facebook person.
What was the fight about actually?
I have no idea.
I just hate how Venda they go lower.
Like ndaba khoze mana and bamba zwithu zwote akhambori kana mami fulu kani she was renting at some point I move but I didn't go down ndabaelesa zwote or like zwothoma guy and everything enothoma nazo.
No, I don't know how that. No, and those I don't know how she deals with the problem for Makhadzi ngoriyo. One thing that women will do is trend. One thing that women will do is trend. Zlathu zwa mnyanya zwazliwa ndi zwa nini?
Nzwakale.
I follow her. I followed her.
Vitamin catering.
Mara botoma vachikubikira vatu like vasi privileged. Vafemini
amaginya vatu. Oh, like vatu vane va nida like ziliwe and stuff.
No, vatu vodzwa staratani.
Oh.
What do you mean, Maggie?
Homeless kids.
I don't want to call it kids. Those were grown-up men.
Oh, homeless people.
Yeah.
Homeless people. Bagay Venda.
Yes. Okay. But she told us go eat then they come eat
and stuff. Okay, that's
then
nice.
Okay. So I would see a lot of that content.
That's good. Okay.
Yeah, like
okay.
Something like that. So I would follow both of them. So for me to see both of them fighting and then I didn't get the root of it.
Yeah.
That's also happened to because I don't want a root mapungo. But I'm assuming mungo okwama it was very sensitive. Hey, nyinyi nduri hygiene ndikotiyo good
like from the beginning. I'm just like, what do we
guys? No, man, can we not go that low when we fight?
Mara iso recharge Kori if bakwamba ngayo whoever comments kazitu basongo chamute against stuff. I think she's trying to move on from the whole thing, which is good. Like Karu is very. I don't like it, but what you're cool,
like those are like older sisters to us, and we're just like,
yeah, so what the cool. I hope whatever.
Don't go below the belt. Because resolve. I personally just don't believe in like airing dirty laundry when we fight.
Online, obviously, online. This is what happened online because
no matter okay, we never make up on.
Yeah,
internet ayangwi
remember nga 2025 ubora zvezvo and sabatu baulwane ish
internet ayangwi
azichanaka.
Anyways, okay guys, peace and whatever. Let's move to let's move to Makhadzi. Yo, I didn't want to talk about it because I'm thinking
I know
it's a bit sensitive because at the end of the day, GBV,
it's
very
sensitive.
Irrespective of what people say. My problem was
opinion.
You get what I'm saying, and I don't know if I should just give my opinion based on.
We know losing a loved one is never easy. At MR21 Funerals and Insurance, we understand the importance of celebrating life with respect, care, and personalized attention. Join our packages from as little as 100 Rand and have a dignified funerals for yourself or your loved ones. For further assistance, contact them on 015-151-0251 or 0252, or you can contact them on their cell, which is 061-509-0775, or visit them at Happy's Car Wash Complex, Chukudini, opposite Harikhoto. And also you can find them on their website, which is www.mr21.co.za, and follow them on all their social media platforms, which is MR21 Funerals and Insurance. MR21, true respect.
if I should just give my opinion based on what she posted or what people are saying as well, because I saw Muhakori.
Nendobona na nthu na video ya Ufinyi Owami. Because
What
she
was
made
his name?
a video about it saying, or okay, this is Makhadzi ova kwamba izizvituru, she was abused. Apparently I could date someone and umutachi mudi and stuff. And then she was like, oh, but she posted a few pictures. One of the pictures apparently chichigugulwa chawaniwa online. Chamaropa. And mara oba analo. There's a live she did abakosumbeza gomula na scratch the scar, and apparently she said that scar thing happened while operao. So I don't know because when either maybe wamudia food she scar chavua kana
or maybe those were apo already kusumbeza ndivadzi.
Yeah, but like isn't supposed to have healed.
Ndivadzi as a
So
scratch.
it's probably true, ne?
Who black like. Okay, I don't know how true it is because also chances zori muthu abaisera pa kuti yotobotorwa tikori ni chingatowa.
Yeah, ubisani gomo la kuzua.
You get what I'm saying? Mara, my problem was the fact that the first post I saw that spoke about the GBV thing. Bukati somewhere ori yeah, I'm gonna talk about it ka album yanga.
Oh, ndozvibona arona zwithu zvine ndadozviamba ka album
get what I'm
zvine zvadombeya
saying?
in danger. Why akwamba uri zvidombeya in danger kana uri vatu vadomu because of what she's saying? Why didn't she just release the album razvipfuri kuita mini if you know why achikunyangodzigowisa before chipfa album?
It's giving marketing at the same time. That was my issue.
With the, I don't know if it was the last album when she was saying the album got stolen. So it could be true. No, it's probably true. Mara, what if she's also using it market album meow, like using your pain as at the like both things could be true at the same time.
Both things could be true, right? My chat right now is already of which I do believe. I just don't know guy needing it. Because there is guy happening as you know. Atiko ana waiter tembling yako performer mara. Atikoni achinga by
I also don't think so.
She's good at what she does. She's used to those things. So my problem is putting it kalain into those yambaka album. It's just it's
giving marketing.
Yeah, because this is a very serious case. It's GBV,
Yeah,
especially in South Africa.
Sick.
You don't play with it, pano. Because when I
This
saw
is
them,
Okobora.
I'll talk about more ka album. This is GBV. Like we're speaking to Kanwa Muti, we've had we've had Olerato. We've had so many serious cases, Rune.
So
If it's really
Muyani.
serious, I would advise team yawe imu advice or kayo mapolisani. Do you get what I'm saying? She should go mapolisani and not atumbuli uchambozwa case. Do you get what I'm saying? So there's so many parents that are still healing from GBV cases and all that, and for us to use that as a marketing strategy, I think it's a bit insensitive. Ngamanda Saniko says how big she is. Because Makhadzi is big.
I feel like she should
know how big she is and know the
Yeah.
influence she holds. Because none of us comment her status. There's so many people who face as the GBV every day. Do you understand? There's nothing that's going to be done.
Yeah.
It's 2 taxis away and you need money to go report.
And
And then I wanna phone abangadi. Do you get what I'm saying? Speaking of Nidano, I just thought of a story that I read a few weeks ago. I'm going to tell you about it.
Okay.
So I just feel like if that's the case, kaya mapolisani, you know?
Mara think we're powerful or
And
something like that.
No, mara arari a powerful.
And
Ningas
linking
dena
it to
pota
Mopana's
karine.
thing.
No. Ara powerful. Ningas dena pota karine na spote kama
Maybe
police.
because Yambor album
Ngori, are you
it's
saying
about her
Renere
pain
powerful
and things,
Brahma
because she
Polisa?
does make music she's gone through and stuff.
Mara, now what are we advising kids? Uri, nature everyone you go release a song and you don't go to the police. What are we saying to the kids?
That's
Do you
the
understand what I'm
thing.
saying? Because Makhadzi is too big. There's so many kids that are looking up to her.
Yeah.
So, Momutu udori, jamburu mwana next time udori, you know what? Let me just write a book.
Because when
And then I'll talk about it. Then I'm going to make money out of it. So I advise, if it's really true, she should take the right measures.
Yeah.
You know, I report it because I personally believe she was beaten up because
nani.
I don't think Oroku there. Like you can tell. The lip are awkward. It's like right here.
Yeah.
You get it. So yeah.
She just said, man.
She said, there's a story. I sent it actually. Yeah.
Oh, that
Mondlana.
law. So much word up and you. Grammar.
Funny enough, I know that girl personally.
kakuluamba lubona
ndonibudza asi ndibonela chitwe the ring light ya TikTok. I'm just kidding because zvipa maginyi upili velika sleep mode.
hectic. Hey, it's story.
So that story was very long.
It was. I tried reading it, and it's sad.
I read it.
And tonga china the chapters. Chora patonga.
Mara zviava kuhamba. The girl's name is Takarani
Nana is so she looks familiar.
I know her. We once dated Taradanchiti.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, growing up.
Mara story chao chiababa.
Chiababa because ndikuita example ngazo ngori ukuhamba ngauri zvoba zvika like she was dating, she was staying with someone. They had a child together.
Yes.
Apparently they were doing like substance abuse water. So it was very hard actually to mini urindiendi report ngori vachidava kudhodha vari iya these ones ndivatu ndisithu zvavo. You get what I'm saying? So I was making an example.
Yeah.
Ngazvezvo uri una mumwe muthu ane ndingaona uri like she's a drunkard mara that doesn't mean she deserves to be beaten up.
A crime is a crime.
A crime is a crime. Mara mapurisa achidhava vasadza unaya kudzurwa vari iyo rokopedzera chipinga vachiitisa zvezvi and then they leave, which is wrong.
Ndiyona problem.
Which is very wrong. So I just feel like GBV Venda is just getting worse and worse. That story was massive. That story was
and
crazy.
You could see uri tonga hopeless. Tonga ufata too. So like anything like too.
So what I think, because as she was explaining uri, what they did was they isolated her from everyone. Achicomplaina one and like akwambura na mio baba chidava mujia vachikwambura okay oneta okay I'm done with this thing vadava mujia ene aumera
mara abuse uchipfesesa abuse wefesana zoro waya muthu achiumera because apparently zviyakonda uri ka situation yaso you abuse you
because they are very manipulative.
Apparently before they start udiati vathu mango mess up mumbulo wavo, so that's why chidzira kuumera and stuff. You need to heal this first before.
And then they make you, you believe you can't live without them. They make you believe no one else is gonna want you. Which is why, guys, car relationship. If you're with someone and they're trying to make you believe you're not good enough, next step period. They are gonna mess you up. No, they are gonna beat you up because the person that's capable of mentally abusing you, nothing is gonna stop them from physically abusing you.
Una weakness. And I think they capitalize on that by shumi so manipulate mumbulo before vachitomodi. So by the time you even start thinking of can I leave, but no pedzanga you.
Mara babe, listen. Remember when you're dating someone, you are very vulnerable. So,
yeah.
The difference is uses it against you. That's the difference. That's why I don't believe in being too open when I'm in a relationship.
So I know you keep things to yourself. Oh, 1 foot in, 1 foot out.
But then now, and unfortunately, that's what makes you who you are. In order for you to explain why you don't like being outside, or why you are shy, or why you are feeling emotional, why you are like that, right?
Yeah, or
I'm not telling you the truth for shit, because people are very messed up. They're gonna use it against you.
This is the choice. And why you think this person who is there for you or whatever?
Give them 3 months. 3 months, I think you never complain.
Well,
yeah, you can't act for 3 months. That's a lot of days.
It's a long
especially
time.
More often. It's like a lot.
This is the real person.
Yeah, so in that story, guys, you go read it. It's on Facebook. It's very long. It's very sad though.
Guys, like where is she in life?
I think she's at home. I don't know.
Oh, no,
she's probably working. I don't know. I know that girl, man. Like,
I was just like,
she was one of those girls when we did the beauty pageants.
Is it?
She was that girl. Do you understand? And then she disappeared. And then I maybe she's married someone or whatever. When she came back with that, I was like, what? Do you get what I'm saying? And she's a very pretty girl. Very pretty girl. She used to be so good. Like, she would speak so well. I used to like a win at the beauty pageant. She was that girl.
It can happen to anyone.
That's the thing. I don't know if you know Tanya. So can't we just all agree to stay away from men?
I don't want to comment.
Why did you do that face?
I know. What do you want us to date women now?
No. Why are we like? Can we just not date? What's wrong with being single? You say
There's
it like
nothing
it's a
wrong
bad
with
thing.
it. It's not. It's
Are you not single now?
It's a good
What
thing.
happened to that guy? Did he come back?
Which guy?
The guy you were dating. The one that didn't have a plan.
For what? For my birthday?
No.
For what?
Remember you were dating some guy and then you were like, you guys broke up because you were not aligning, like in terms of...
No. I ndizwa kare zvopera kare.
Oh.
Nah,
So are you seeing someone now?
Yes. I mean, are you seeing someone?
This has nothing to do with me.
It is. Kakambe, answer the question.
Are you seeing someone now?
Answer the question. No.
I'm trying to be there for you and I'm like, Magia, come on, yo. Oh, you West.
Asizone. Kapindura question. Are you seeing someone?
Arema ngachivenda hey.
Nichivenda.
Karish.
Ukubona muthu.
Eh,
Ukoseyisana na muthu na.
Mara
Are you laughing with someone? Ish. Ndiyo ne problem.
So yeah, sort of, kind of.
It's fine.
And those rash them later. Hey, what it well?
Hey, muthu ngasimuconfirm.
People are weird. People move really weird.
Exactly.
But anyways, when I asked you if you're seeing someone, you said you're seeing someone. How long has it been?
Hi, my life is private.
Oh, na video
but I never talk about or post anything about my love life.
And
it's
you
very
don't.
private.
Why?
It's none of anyone's business.
Ne?
Yeah.
Mara, the fact that you're eating is our business. Now. When you eat, it's our business. When you date, it's not our business. Mutu before I
like if you online, there's something you must. Post. Yeah. Not choose not to post online.
And your relationship is one of them.
Yeah, it is.
That's good.
It is.
Anyways, we'll post.
But don't wanna munyanya. Kana munyanya basazvibone. Basakubona ndo wanoambara ring.
Shona. Mutu uyochata chipiri.
Mara nena post chitu so I don't know why I'm surprised.
Ndio posta.
What poster?
To post it.
Oh, unobia posting. Exactly.
Oh damn.
You don't post. Maybe posters, yeah, low key.
That's a lot.
Yeah, that is a lot.
Imagine
Chanda. Imagine Zoom.
Chanda the fuck. But anyways, what were we talking about? No.
The girl Ozra child.
Yeah, Uri, like I really hope she gets help. I'm gonna wear her to what she was. She had so much potential. She still has, I think, because she can come back.
Yeah, she will come back.
Especially Rakuri, she's been clean now and whatever. My issue is the fact that she raised a couple of sensitive stuff. There's a house in a some kids go underwear so they're young kids, young girls that come there. You get what I'm saying? Do you get what I'm saying? So why was because the house it's in
chikolo cha primary
no high
school nayo ne bana batuku. And that's the time in their lives where
you get what I'm saying. So I really hope someone jumps on it.
Investigator
and tries to fix it. You know,
especially kabana.
It's very dangerous, especially because of and then we move. It's wrong.
As a community,
it's like that up until it's your child.
Exactly. And we're expecting support.
You get what I'm saying? So yeah, I really hope someone hops on it. Urihani or whatever. But people don't care. That's another thing. People really don't care.
You don't care until
we spoke about David Mabuza, ne?
We did Rotomangas.
Oh guys,
our former.
I did not even know. Wait, I saw the Grace Mondlana thing. Grace Mondlana is mourning.
So apparently, recently, digital voice weekend, TikTok or posters nepe. She was dating this guy. When she was 18 and everything, wherever she goes, whatever she's doing, but she was protecting her. So post that relationship.
Yeah,
she never posted
People
about it.
She was single.
Exactly. Me too. Because last year, going on a first date or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. So she was saying that she never posted him or anything like that, but he was always there, whatever she was doing, but she was supporting. And obviously, if they met when she was 18, So
he
it was
passed away.
sad. Apparently it was an accident. She made like a paragraph.
Yeah.
Yo, accident.
Yeah, accident and then it forgot was.
And because it's sudden.
It's very sudden. I didn't get to picture it in my mind or okay, I might have to live without this person. Mara accident is
Accident,
like that. Don't want to that gay guy all over. Wampumalanga. Do you know that gay guy who abachivoko oduma akuimba zimfuni? You didn't know him?
No,
Moses. Yeah, Moses. So Menando Muguma, Akuito Achambrozi wiki and whatever. This one time I was in Nelspruit last year.
Yeah, you were. But she ain't though.
Anyways, so
yes,
someone ansumbedza uri no, this that girl that oh no, but clean. He was dancing maramba. He looked very clean and handsome, and I'm like, this is I was so confused that day at the club. I looked at there was someone prestige. Was it prestige? There was some club there. I look at him and I'm like, damn, okay. So over or no change.
No, Dumango Imbazimfuni.
No, Otoma. So he was a normal guy at first. I think I don't know you are. Allegedly so.
Shame.
Because my gay. I took over gay. Don't get me wrong. Oreirua chimbiras akuita champagne. Like just putting
something
stuff. Yeah, you know, as imfuni like crazy shit. Not like oreirua sexuality. I would know. Oreirua atomoso chimbira akuita zvambara shkete akuimba. And then he got better. Atomwambara straight. He looked clean.
Maybe the family.
Crash.
Yo, shame.
Yeah, it was sad. There's a girl
even this
poster.
Soccer guy kind of Ferrari or Yoshua or something. Or Ferrari, Yoshua.
Maginia, what car was it?
Stuff. Yeah, that guy or Yoshua.
One minute? Yeah.
Hey. One that country, like, I don't know which country I chitambira yon.
Arsenal.
Hey, not today.
Today we are red and in Liverpool.
Yeah, red.
What is it?
It was red.
I just saw the color red.
Me too. But Nairobi said he was young. And apparently just got married. No one has a picture of got their wedding and stuff.
And he was young. Was he not in 94 or something?
Yo, he was young.
96, 94, I don't know. See his age, but guys, no, man.
It's accident here,
accident. Yo,
yeah, choice.
With people close to me, please no. Because it's too sudden. You don't see it come. It's not a suicide. If like suicide, he better, because if a person is depressed, usually you can see if you're close to that person.
For a long time, yeah.
You get what I'm saying? But no, it's really a sad thing. So matter for Grace, or the whole time she had a boyfriend.
Hey, yeah, she chose to keep it private. No, but it said Noro. I remember last Novana Combra space. And I thought maybe or something. How? It's her boyfriend. I'm sure they had plans. So that's the sad thing. You had plans. I'm sure they planned their future and everything. And that's
you guys are already planning a future with men. Guys,
so now she has to grieve or she lost this person and grieve all the plans that they had together or individually and together as a couple.
I see a lot of people on TikTok who lose as a partner. I don't think it's
sad.
It's I wouldn't be able to deal with it.
No, I don't even.
God, protect us. Please protect us. I want to find out what Rossi. I mean, I want to make sure I don't see it. We spoke about, we tried to cover everything.
Oh, the last thing, healthcare.
The healthcare thing.
What's your opinion on it?
I get it, but I don't get it at the same time, you know, because I'm like, are we now going to watch someone die because of Abanama Bambiri? To begin with. Do you understand? So now sibadela nikomuona mutu order, let's say uko bleed kalito or whatever, because ndi mutu Venda, are we going to turn them back? But then at the same time I understand, because narine vatu vapano arina tuso ya enough.
Auna capacity, guys.
Auna capacity. Mara zvino, are they going to die in like pandashu, then zvava mushumo wa vatu vo wala shtumbura.
Unfortunately, as a country, at some point rifano dziveya utoma. There's a lot that
we
still need to fix.
We can't start.
I agree with that. I agree with that. There's a lot that needs to be fixed.
The truth is,
was it last year or the year before? Where the what's that lady's name? Not
Puru.
But she's heading the healthcare. But no, you need to have certain documents in order. Because but border, but you give a birth messina. And looking at our healthcare, public healthcare. Exactly, our public healthcare is bad. You know, as a country, raiwana two and stuff. But actually, clinic you're going to for a line 4 hours of the whole day. You must go in the morning. But maybe before I do achieve just or to so early. I feel like we need to put ourselves first before we fix the problems that we have as a country. That second. Which is sad because namashangoni awoti rnera yabangasirutuse.
That's true.
You know why South African like Msamaria often to sabatu both.
And you know why? Ndingauri ujena pano easy also. It's very easy. So I'm getting like, for example, if you're traveling, but there's something called like a travel insurance, health.
Yes.
In case anything happens. Whether we should do that as well.
Yeah, we should. Our border General Mukhanazi cover for zote, cover for mara, because but I think it was too. Do you think we're too far gone? Ne?
No, we can still fix it.
Undocumented.
It'll probably just take more time. But
a long time. But it can be fixed. Even if you guys rejob 20 years. But at some point, 20 years maybe it's a stretch. You can do it like closer. If we have a proper plan, and stuff, maybe I wonder
if they still do that.
At the to be under Fuch coffee, but who deport you.
Speaking of that, there was a conversation I had this week. And it got you over. Anyways. And I wanted a mail. Mutu wa munna uri apindura. Magini, can you hear me? Endo na msuko kumeza.
Ako pindura mara.
Anyways, so what do you think about men dating vazana barana banati? But do you think the guy is supposed to take care of the kids somehow?
Dating?
Yeah, okay, dating eventually will get married or whatever. Mara to make a dating. So we're married to. Are to make a dating. What role do you play? Maginya, what do you think?
I think you must take everything as a package. But also depending on already arrangements in DPO. I got one relationship the father is willing to take care of the kid. Then in that way, I think we can just agree in that relationship and never relationship.
Can not too soon or whatever you want. Tell me someone has spare routine, whatever.
Right.
She thinks because Usha one.
But you as a man must understand that your package you own.
It's very own.
Forever.
Chosen although there is open now because I don't want to awara. Simply feelings so we must understand that.
That's very true. When I said that, people were saying it's giving what because mutu ori so koti yangwana ene ushumo donate spam ndishimo thogomelana. That's what the other person said.
Mara is deadbeat so.
Ngandani over deadbeat. But my chat was it's
Mara,
very
unfair. Supposed to be, if you're a partner, you're supposed to help your partner make
her life easier. So I already in niko to the visa out on a date and a lot of women wawe hana mtu usara na. I don't go for baded waneni. It's your responsibility, unfortunately, because you are about to take me ita fine dining incentive. Wananga osara na wango mke gruba kana osara sisi kana osara yete because no, let's say comes out of your 8 years. Do you get what I'm saying?
That's why she must know when you're dating someone or never
I think all men that date women with kids need to understand that it's a whole package. Because you're not going to call me, okay, also tina ngwana, but I'm just...
I also don't have kids.
Yes. But I just feel like it only makes sense. With
someone's kids.
How are you doing? Right, you know, do you get what I'm saying?
Right.
And I don't know what's wrong with him. You need to be able to say, okay, should I come take you guys to the hospital? But but I'm just saying, don't ever, because Venda maranga. Guys, no. Maranga, like one on baby.
Is it?
Yeah, guys, that's very wrong. First of all, we need to get a better name. Venda. Hello, zinali horrible. Anyways, so that's what I was saying, because the guy was complaining or no, and then now ndiko shumoita whatever school fees is just shorter. And I'm like, the problem is you guys are not having a conversation about it. Ngori issue ndio arena no murengera Gucci mloba next month because yangwana basibade school fees. I rengise kana ade like, what are you saying? Like, if you're going to give me luxury, jitonga niko vana nenda order ribs. I don't know, I'm getting a burger too on the side. I am going to be that type of baby mama. If I'm a baby mama, unfortunately, I'm going to be that type of baby mama.
Yeah.
If I end up as a baby mama. Because I just think it doesn't make sense for me to have it soft, but for my kid to be average.
Yeah,
you get what I'm saying? You're not about to be spoiling me and... maintenance, let's say it's 5,000 or whatever. That's up to me.
But usually it's like that. Most Makhadzi single mothers, but mostly.
Not all of them.
It's a lot in South Africa.
You would be shocked, hey?
South Africa.
You would be shocked. Yes, South Africa and the single moms.
That's unfortunate.
You see why marriage is scary? You see why marriage is very scary?
You can be a single parent in marriage, which is sad.
That's another topic. Because men, I think men, as men want to go parenting. And it will also go back to
yeah.
You got what I'm saying? Nayo arus wangori. The mother does everything.
Can I check as well over from a good family?
No, good family the meaning.
Like maybe both parents whenever go married and stuff. And now I turn out to be a terrible
But behind closed doors, a lot of parents, they are just providers, but the women do everything. Oh, we are actually bigger, actually tiny. The dad waka phone, waka tamba Facebook na what are we?
There are some parents like Babana that are very good parents.
I've seen it on TikTok, and then people will say, "My dad says this is AI." When you see,
I've seen that.
When you see people dancing with their kids, you know. Yeah. So I just think parenting.
Zion is a present day.
And it's Zion. I just feel like generation Yashu also.
Yes. Which is great. I'm like, okay, it's just Shandukas, you know. But
you should see my friends. Amazing parents. Both moms and dads.
Although
my friends are amazing parents. It's not even funny.
It's great. It's nice being an auntie.
Being an auntie is not easy, guys. Being an auntie to these modern cool kids, it's very correct you. Anyways, but yeah, we're about to close. So I think at the end of the day, if you're dating a girl that has a child,
just be a present person.
Just be a present. Just be a daddy. Just be a daddy that stepped up.
Be a present partner.
We're not saying now but if she needs you, you're gonna have to step up.
Help.
Don't come with the oh no, she's not my baby bullshit.
Because why are you dating a person?
You need to step up.
Yeah.
Period. And Karen, you see coming down because you're So I'm not saying it for anything. So yeah, guys, I think we're about to wrap up.
Yeah,
This episode was brought to you by MR21. That's insurance coverage. Guys, what is Chibugwana?
Chibugwana is important.
Avoid the donation. It's a poster when you die. because it's not going to make
mara
sense.
kharumbele na family uri vha songo sala vha tshi khou tambula muthu a vhe na tshibugwana
Mara, don't you think ila chibugwana mara zwi bva khori no ṅwalisa vhugai because yo no
Yeah,
bva ya ni
mara ya
vhulunga
thusa.
nṋe ndi vhona unga na musi are ni sina nnzhi tshelede itani yo no ḓo to ni vhulunga
Yo,
fhedzi, no?
isn't
just for
there?
bogisi na
Yeah,
mini na mini
ṱhukhunyana.
zwori vha ḓo sala vha tshi itisani navho vha ḓo vhona
at least vha ḓo ṱanganisa from something
from something so zwori ri khou ṱuwa no ralo ni tshi tonga
imagine
you didn't know where you're
It's
gonna
never
die
too early.
because the truth is we're all gonna die whether we like it or not.
Yeah.
We just don't know when and how.
exactly
You know, so preparing for it is the best way. Or those you bought out and called over 100 and goes to anyone on business.
the million
But looking at the way we're living, I don't think we can imagine that it's 100. I don't think we'll get
I
there.
don't think so too
Nah, we are just chilling, basically.
Ziko chuisa
Mara we're drinking a lot. No, I'm going
ndikadachana
Since when?
since now how
So if it comes now, you're going to drink.
no I'm joking
You didn't stop.
ndizabonisa kuno yo I have a lot of work to do
Like what? Work? Like work? or
machoni
school?
Monday guys
Yeah, so you're going to work tomorrow, not today.
no I have stuff things I need to make sure machero zonopera
Ish.
so ndifana focused
Guys, adulting is not fun.
It's not cute.
But anyways, I think it's something that we should appreciate. The fact that we've got something to do is
Yeah.
like good. Yeah, we just need to be
Especially
grateful.
in this economy
Being busy is better than not doing anything. So yeah, Jesus Friday. I almost made a decision. It was raining.
oh yeah it did rain
Friday in the Queen. Monday I woke up. Husnamdagasi.
yo
I
no,
had to
that's
go
the
to work.
worst
Do you understand the decision I had to make that day?
Eish, Mari had to us na choice
Ndotamba ndambara nga torch. Do you get what I'm saying?
ngamadorotholo
Oba akadiba warm.
or at least mara still ngaburia
Yeah, roto thusiwa nga swala ngori the day before your visa, but yeah, I'm just saying yeah, that's when you get to realize you know what, una mtu ane hakovua and
Yeah.
now avua unaona kwaone.
Ukuzibona.
So you just need to be very appreciative, guys. It doesn't matter what type of
Nyumbo.
job you have.
At least
There's no
do
job that's too
something.
small in SA. The fact that you're doing something means so much. So at
blessed.
least you need to kuvua.
uphathucheziwa
Your Venda is horrible. Okay, guys, thank you
Chikonana,
so
yo.
much.
Yeah.
We're coming to you live from Panda Studio,
Panda
32
Studios.
Miller Street. The number is, oh Jesus, I'm about to mess it up. But the woman. Huh? Oh Jesus
Or
Christ,
meaning?
38, not 32. Do you want to get 32?
38 Miller
I am
Street.
such a bad person. The queen never wanted to correct me.
38
So
Miller Street.
it's 38 Miller Street. The number is 010-023-2939. And also, I don't know if the competition is a panda. We'll talk about it next week. Raro the win some tumti every week, every month.
every month
Yeah. So I'm assuming if it's going
it's a new
forward, you
month
guys can
too.
just drop your comments as well. And then, it's a new month. So drop your comments and then we're going to choose the winner for this week. So hey, your winner on the June. We're going to give you
In the
guys...
July.
Yeah, July. The year is moving so fast. Really,
You
know
know
the whole
better.
Christmas. Yo, I am scared.
second half
I'm shaking. But anyways, guys, thank you so much.
thank you
Arduabona next week.
yeah
Women's Month, Ikoshika. I can't wait to talk about women. I'm so sick and tired of talking about men the whole time and just GBV and whatever. I can't wait to talk about something way softer
exactly
and more feminine. Should we cut it?
thank you
Oh, great. Thank you so much, guys.
you know kata